morning, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone's doing fine today. I'm coming to you today, and I'm going to read my scripture. And as I read my scripture, the morning verse. Okay, I'm taking it from Colossians. Therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourself with compassion, kindness, humanity, gentleness, and patience. Colossians 3:12. Thank you so much. So I'm getting ready today. I'm getting ready right now. I'm going to be making a pig feet stew. And so I have my pig feet already cut up. I've chopped them up. Okay. I have my water in the pot. And I'm going to be putting on my same ingredients that I normally use for everything that I have. Okay. I've already washed all the pig feet out. And I always clean them with my vinegar and salt and brush them down. So I've already did that. They're very pretty and clean. So now I'm going to drop the pig feet into my pot. Okay. So I push it up further. Okay. All right. I'm going to pull them out into the pot. Okay. All right. So now I have them in there.
Some pieces we couldn't get chopped, so that's why some pieces bigger than others. I tried to chop them with the couldn't get them going though.
And I didn't stop to clean. I didn't take time to clean them on the video because it takes a longer time for the videos to be longer. So I did clean them already, but they are ready to go. So that's what I want you to know. So everything. This is some garlic pods. I'm putting my whole garlic pods in also. You can put them in even with the peelings on top, or you can take the peelings off. It doesn't matter. Sometimes I leave them on because he said it's really healthy for you to leave them on. Therefore, I'm getting this done right now. So now I have this ready to go. And I'm also going to be putting, let me see, I also have my diced tomatoes, and I also have that tomato sauce and diced tomatoes. Okay, putting the whole can of tomato sauce in, and a whole can of diced tomatoes. Okay, now get that out of the way. Let me stir them around a little bit. And I'm also, this is onion, my onion powder. I always use the granulated most of the time. So I put this about 1/3 of a cup. And I'm also going to use a 1/3 cup of garlic powder. My 1/3 cup of complete. Black pepper. Okay. And I also have easy onions spiced. Minced onions. So I'm going to pour some of these in also. These are spiced, okay, so. Okay. So now, I also gonna put in, this is apple cider vinegar. I just had a big bottle and I couldn't use the gallon size to show you. So I'm gonna be putting in, this is a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. Okay. Now, I'm going to stir this up a little bit. And I'm going to be putting in I won't be putting in the vegetables right now. I'm just going to let them cook right now. And then I'll be back shortly. And I don't use a lot of salt because I use the complete instead of the salt. Okay, so I want you to know that in case you don't see me put it. But I will put just a tiny bit, not very much, which will probably be maybe a teaspoon. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to start it off in the pressure cooker so it doesn't take so long to cook. And then I'll be changing it over to the regular dish so I can put the rest of my vegetables in it.
In a regular pot.
In a different pot. Thank you so much. So now I'm getting ready to start it in the pressure cooker. Okay. These are the pig feet in here. So now I'm going to be putting in the vegetable with the pig feet. Okay.
Sorry, y'all. Camera. The camera has a good angle.
Now, I also add my potatoes. All right. Now I'm also I'm gonna put just a little bit more of my garlic powder and onion powder in it, so a little bit more seasoning since I'm adding all the vegetables. Okay. Once you add the extra vegetables and everything to them, sometimes it takes the flavor. And you have to kind of flavor it out again a little bit more. See, this is the onion powder. Okay. The other one was the garlic powder, so.
And again,
put a little
y'all,
bit more.
Garlic and onion powder does not have any salt in it. She have ate raw garlic and garlic.
This is a little bit more complete.
All her life. I think that's why she's still here.
I don't know about my little bit more black pepper, so. Okay. Just a second, I forgot to get me a little spoon to give me a taste of my flavor and give me that spoon in front of you right there. It's good. It's really good. Okay, and I'm going to put just a little bit more. Just a tiny bit more. I don't need just a tiny bit more, a little bit more, each one of them. It has a wonderful flavor. It's very good. It's really off the chain flavor with it. In time, the vegetables will start. You want just a little bit more. I like a lot of good flavor. And I know other people like flavor, but this is something different. And I hope you all will enjoy this because I think I'm going to enjoy it. I don't eat very much pork, but I'm going to taste it. I'll have to be the taster. I don't have anybody here to taste it. So I'll have to be the taster. I don't have any choice today, but a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to stir this around a little bit more. Then I'll get me another spoon so I can taste it again.
Yeah, we keep spoons. We buy spoons by the 600. So we have taste and throw it in trash.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that's very good. Very, very good. Mm-hmm. I think I've arrived at the taste that I would like to have it. Once I'm going to put it on for about 20 more minutes, about 20, 25 more minutes. And let it cook. And I'll be back as soon as it finishes, all the vegetables get done. Okay? Thank you. Okay, everyone. I'm back, and this is my finishing touches from my pig feet stew. And it looks like it's going to be totally delicious. Y'all may not have never heard of pig feet stew, but now you're going to see me with one. So I'll just go to Miss Lena's kitchen. You never know what you might find. So I'm going to put, all right, I got a very little bowl for a pig foot, okay. All right, so that's the way the pig feet look. And I'm going to put, it looks like it's going to be very tasty. I'm going to put just a little. You guys, you can also put your vegetables in there. I didn't put any extra vegetables in there. So now all I have is just the carrots and macaroni. And that's it. My bell peppers. Okay. So I'm going to take a little taste test. And I did make me some cornbread. So I like cornbread with just about everything that's when it comes to a stew that I have that I like. And it's very, very hot. But it's very delicious. Very delicious. Okay. Very good. It's, when I tell you it's very good, it's very, very good. For those that like pig feet, if you love them, this is another way for you to fix them, prepare them. It's really good. And it's really off the chain. It's really good. I love it. It's just, it has such a good taste, everything. And with my cornbread, so you can eat them with biscuits, cornbread, whatever you like, crackers either. So I'm going to show you some. Okay. So this is the final touches of my pig feet stew. And I want you all to try them if you all like pig feet and can eat pork or whatever. But anyway, I thank you so much for viewing this video. And I hope you all will enjoy it. Thank you from Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. My good, going into the fall of the year, into the winter months, a good pig feet stew. Thank you so much. Stay.
And thank you to all our members that subscribe to her channel. That we appreciate you. We appreciate you. We appreciate you so much to all the subscribers. The people viewing, the followers. We just appreciate everybody. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
Bye-bye.